I'm Kalara. So yun na nga, nagpunta kami sa DFC, Doha Festival City, para sa wedding dress meeting kasi ikakasal siya, of course. So habang hinahanap namin yung Ted Baker, bigla kaming may nakita. May nakita kaming pa-free taste. Siyempre, pupuntahan namin yun. They are from Leto Cafe, located at Hazm Mall in Marquia. And kakabukas lang din nila nung brunch nila sa DFC. Open sila sa Marquia from 8 in the morning hanggang midnight. Mostly yung sinaserve nila is international, tsaka bakery. Patisserie? Pronounce P. A. P. Mga pastries. Bye. So, nung lumapit kami, isa siyang parang cart na malaki, tas maraming mga sweets and mga shots, booster shots. Inassist kami ni ate na taga Dolores, Pampanga. Kapampangan ulit siya.
Ito kan ka San Fernando.
Kapampangan si ate.
Again.
Dahil naniniwala ka ba na kahit saan may kapampangan? Oo. Ayun, so pinuntahan namin siya, nakipag-usap kami. Tapos, ang dami-dami na namin napuntahan ng mga shops. Tapos wala kaming mahanap na white dress. Gutom na kami.
Hindi mo na, mamaligaw ako mong Ted Baker.
So, gutom na nga kami. Kaya, napagdiskitahan namin yung mga pagkain ni na ate sa Leto. Doon namin naibuhos lahat ng gutom namin. Sobrang sarap ng mga clubs nila, sandwiches, booster shots.
Hindi ako marang mag-vlog. Pwede ba tignan yung sandwich?
Okay na tikman yan ka na.
Oo, talaga. Club ng... Club.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Is it okay if we try everything?
That's why we have to.
Pati yung yung muffin na may gulay na muffin. Oh, yun.
You try the muffin with the spiral with.
Yeah, I tried it. Something new. Lagi nyo, ha?
You know vlogger yun?
Vlogger today. That's his blogger.
Yeah. Leto.
Ayaw ako tumagulit.
Hindi mo ba? Ilan ba yan? Busog na ako.
You keep up.
Ito cold to, malamig. Yun yung strawberry, te. Yeah.
They're craving for the strawberry.
What does the collagen do to the drink? Is it just for flavor or?
It's for the flavor. It's giving a little bit of, let's wanna say, burning on your throat.
Really collagen?
Yeah. Ayaw.
You're a liar.
It's good, eh? Ramen.
Medyo thick siya.
Matagal na po kayo dito. Ano gusto mo? 5 years.
Have you ever tried?
Okay, family.
No choice. How are you okay?
Matamis yan.
Hindi masyado.
I know.
Collagen.
Di mo mo 5, teka kasal ako eh. Charik.
Try niyo to. Sarap.
Parang hindi. Oo.
Ano yan eh?
Yan o, yung fat fruit sauce strawberry.
Minasok ko. Manyaman.
Yaman, meka. Kuya ko man na yung boses mo. Nag-modulate.
Kaya seryoso ka, panoorin mo yung mga vlog mo. Nakasahan yung club?
Ako din.
Ano na ubos na uwi na kayo? May dala kaming lock and lock.
Tres leches. Argentine cake. This baked with good.
Count the memories and the
Count the calories, exactly. If you start to count the calories.
We look like we're
Originally in Russia, and we have in Dubai, we have in Kuwait, and we have in Qatar. It's the second branch in Qatar.
Magkano usually yung normal price?
This one is 22 riyal.
Ganito kalaki yung serving? Hindi naman.
ganito, ganyan.
Ganyan na ganyan
22
to.
reals.
Yeah, and we have also catering for the events.
The one that you are eating, the normally slice on the shop can cost you 44.
44
Yeah, we have
reals.
one slice, 44 reals, but for this one, it's 22 reals. Usually, this is the one that we serve for the catering. Like for baby reception,
Magkano ang-
weddings, packages for baby reception for 25 person, 3,700. It's 3 cakes, 20 pieces each, 3 sandwiches, 1 liter iced latte, and we have 20 cups of cappuccino with 1 server, lady server.
3,000.
3,700.
Good for 45?
25.
Ah, 25 euro.
So it means you have 120 food, 60 sandwiches, 60 sweets. You can choose honey cake. We have also honey cake. You can visit Leto in our website, www.leto.qa.
So, www.leto.qa. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen.
Staff discount kapag may staff discount kami, alam mo. Okay, nagtatrabaho. So, that's it guys. Yun yung experience namin sa Leto Cafe. Sobrang sarap. Masarap talaga siya. Kasi medyo pricey. Pero, biruin mo yung maliit nilang cake, 25 reals na lang sinuserve. Tapos yung booster shots nila, 35 reals. Worth it ba? Worth it kasi masarap. Hindi worth it kasi mahal. I mean, masarap naman siya. So, may right sila na magtaas ng presyo. Although, may mga restaurants na ganun din naman kasarap yung food nila in a lower budget. Pero kung gusto nyo nang pumunta sa mamahaling restaurants or bakery, Leto is okay. So, yun. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tsaka, wala naman yan sa presyo ng kinakain mo. Ang mahalaga, healthy ka. Bye! Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. It's EM Kalara. Anong sabi ka? Pwede ba play? Wala siyang ano.